Hello everyone. Today let's look at the classification problem. Classification problem is very common questions in our real world. Like when we tossing a coin, we want to know is up or down. When we see an animal in the wild place, we want to know is dog or the wolf. So today we will use naive Bayes to solve such a classification problem. Let's understand what Bayes it is. This is the Bayes formula. In this formula, we have PA given B. It means that the posterior probability is the probability for A after taking into account B. In this formula, we can also see PA, and that is the prior priority. It's the initial degree of belief in A. From this formula, we can easily to calculate the PA given B, but it is more than that. We can know that from the prior probability, we can deduce the posterior probability. Let's see an example. We have traveled to the we have hiking at the weekends. During the hiking, I see an animal. It is we have a hiking at the weekends. During the hiking, I saw animal. It's far away. I couldn't see it clearly. Is it a wolf or a dog? If it's a wolf, it's better for me to escape. If it's a dog, I should not care about it. So in such a situation, how we human make a decision? So we, based on these environments, as a wild place, usually is more probability that the animal is a wolf. So the probability of wolf, we can say is equals 0.8. Its less probability is a dog. So the P dog equals 0.2. Now the animal walks closer. All I see is more characters from the animal. So the same question, is it a wolf or dog? Currently, based on the information, I see this animal looks more like a dog and is kind to people. So, based on all other information collected, the probability as a wolf given this animal, it could be 0.3, and for it, the P dog given X is 0.7. So we can see that the probability may change based on the more information. This is the Bayes thinking. It means that taking into account all prior relevant probabilities, incrementally update them as newer information arrives. That's the Bayes formula, and we can use Bayes methods to solve classification problem. Now let's see an example. In this example, we are an online company and we want to make sure we can solve our most common challenge, binary classification problem. Will a customer buy this product? Having data samples of age and salary and whether purchased the product. Given a new customer with age and salary, can we predict if the customer buys this product? For the data and the distribution, we can see the graph in this slides. We can see that the two groups has some overlap, and it's not a linear boundary between them. Using the base, we can use Python to use base very easily, and it's almost just 3 lines to train the model and then predict the new data. Then we're using the base classification. We can see the boundary between the two groups is not a linear, but it's a curve. So it's a better classification method than the linear classification. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.